has been a pretty interesting and informative sessions in the last 2 days. A lot of topics covered and a lot of interesting sessions. So uh, there's a lot to be reflected back after the training on a personal front for me. So I started as a freshman in UST, so now completing close to 13 plus years, and
Oh,
currently
wow.
working as a project manager for one of the popular US accounts, T-Mobile. So I work as project manager over there. And for me, from there, this is kind of a like self-evaluation and a learning space that I take forward to see how I can take my career to the next level. And servant leadership is a key concept in it. No,
That
I've heard this concept a lot, and I've seen my leaders also within the organization and within the account practicing it. So it's more understanding the intricacies of the details of it that is helping me now, because when it comes to a broad concept like servant leadership, what are the focus areas that each person needs to be considering is very key, and that's where this training helps us in understanding the multiple concepts, how our values gets tied to the 3 7 10 concept that we have within a servant leadership. All those kind of things are kind of new understanding, and reflecting back on it, and then making it use on a kind of day-to-day basis should help us in becoming successful servant leaders in UST.
ac-
So I think initially the 317 concept itself is a takeaway, because where we focus on a vision, then the relationship, and then going ahead with the next level of how we in a person, how we need to take it forward, or when it comes to particular concepts like giving back to the community, or empowering your team members, and all those kind of things. It's something we do on a day-to-day basis, but understanding like few of the key areas that we need to focus is very important. The MSLA report has been eye opener for me at least, and I've seen few areas where I thought I was a bit took for granted. It's not the case. So that also helps us in doing a self evaluation through a very structured program, because MSLA I think is a very good report to reflect, and that's kind of a good thing that we can go take back and then improve as we go ahead to the next level in our career.
that's
For sure, for me, this concept doesn't is above anything like profit or non-profitable. It's more than that. It's a concept that drives the values of a company, that for becoming successful on a longer run, and making it employee friendly, and if people centric one. That's a key, because monetary
absolutely.
benefits is something that comes and goes, and there are tough times that we have seen through COVID, and now, like it can happen anytime in IT business. But if you hold your core values strong, then I think that's a key where, as a company, we can sail through any of the tough times that we have, and enjoy the good moments or proud moments that we come across. So yeah, for me, it is going to be something. As I told, MSLA and other discussions and topics from here has given me some self-realization. So practicing it on a day-to-day thing is something I'll take back. But I want my team members also, at least my immediate team members whom I work with, or who are also eager to become successful in their career and grow to the next level. I'll advise them also to take this upcoming workshops in servant leadership, because it will give them a good motivation and as well as a good understanding of this concept. And if they practice, then I can ripple it down to more of my team members. So that's what I take away from this.